Introducing GTO Home Repair LLC, a name synonymous with excellence in home improvement and repair services in Chesapeake, Virginia. For 15 years, we have been dedicated to enhancing the beauty and functionality of homes with our comprehensive range of services, such as painting services, gutter services, flooring installation, remodeling services, roofing installation, cabinet installation, and more. Follow us on social media to get insights into our latest projects, home maintenance tips, and exclusive offers. Contact us today to discuss your home improvement needs, and let's start building a more beautiful, functional, and comfortable space for you and your family. Choose GTO Home Repair LLC, where your home is our masterpiece.